Mikola, nice
Hello.
to see your smile again today. And of course, my traditional question to you, what do you have for us today for our amazing Smart Match App customers?
Today, team, today we are gonna talk about a new feature. This feature didn't exist in the past. It's a new feature, and it's coming with a new system update. It will be available as soon as we will switch our system to a new version. So we already tested everything. Do not worry, it will be soft and smooth. Nobody will be
There is
hurt.
no innovation without change.
Yes.
We are all prepared for it.
Yep.
Show us what you got.
It's an availability feature. It's simple, but it's really powerful, especially for the dating, matchmaking business. So
tell us more. Availability feature. What does it mean? What does it do? What is the benefit?
The benefit is extremely simple. With a member access, just a member access add-on, customers will be able to log into the profile. They will have an availability tab, and they can select dates and time slots when they are available to have dates to go on a date.
Okay. When you say customers, it means members of our matchmakers, their customers, the customers of our matchmakers. For example, singles in this case, or community members if it's a community.
Yeah, whoever.
They log in and they can choose availability.
Yes.
So it's a availability matching.
Actually, it is. It's availability matching. Let me just show. Let me just present him how
it's all I want, man. This is all I want. I don't know about our customers, but show us what you got, man.
Yes. So let's go to our lovely video agency. And first of all, it's an add-on. It's a separate add-on. It should be enabled to be availability.
But this is coming, okay?
This is coming.
We will figure this out later.
And I will use Ella's profile. She has access to the system. So now Ella can log into the system.
So that's what member portal means for those of our customers who want to know what that means. If you don't use it, you can check it out with Mikola again. It's free. He'll set you up.
I will, promise.
Okay,
and
so
now I am logged into my availability, and I have two options. I can select weekly availability. I can select the whole day I am available, but then deselect a few time slots. They are customizable. It could be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour. And I will keep a few open here. And also I can select a recurring availability. Like every Tuesday, I am available from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. let's say. And then it will be mirrored in my calendar if I will go to a weekly view. So pretty simple. You've seen this logic in different apps for sure, like Calendly or whatever, but now it will be available directly in Smart Match App. So as soon as this availability is set, I will log out from a member portal. I will open my video agency again.
And that's where the magic starts, guys.
Yeah, that's where the magic starts. Just in case, one addition. In addition to member portal availability, we also have a new feature called send availability request. So you can actually send it in bulk to your customers. A link to update availability will be embedded, and they can do it. And
great.
Now a magic part. We go
Another
to our
huge
matching.
Time saver.
We refresh our suggestions. Wait a second. I will add some availability to Noah or I will check if he has availability selected. No, so let's add some recurring availability to him. I will just deselect a few time slots. And also Friday. So now Noah also has his availability. So we log out from Noah's profile. We go back as admins. And now we go back to Ella. We have two options for availability. Use it in matching, and these settings are under settings availability. Use in matching and use in events. So let me show how the matching part looks like first. So if I will go and check match details between Noah and our lovely Ella, we have additional tab on the match details, availability. And system just checked all available similar time slots for both of them. So they both are available at 11 a.m.
Sorry to jump in here. All the blue spots are mutually available?
Yeah, all the blue spots are mutually available. But for matching, it's great. It's really great. I can imagine a few cases when availability will be used directly in matching, maybe for the events, let's say. Events matching.
There is many use cases. I know personally where the whole matching process is based on availability. For example, when is nanny available to a family? Right, a family with the kids.
We did a lot of workarounds in the past with drop downs of days and time slots as custom fields.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to work with some of our clients who already use this older version with the drop downs of dates, which can be endless.
Yes.
To this, okay.
Yeah. So that's the first part, but most interesting part is when I will add a match to active, let's say, introductions. And then I want to invite Noah and Ella to have a date. And that's, I know for sure, how much time and effort it takes to call, email both of them and check, are you available on March 15 at 9 p.m. EST? No? Okay, what other slot do you have? So now, system, if I will go to create an event for them, create a date.
Let's see.
System will show me all mutually available days and time slots. So now I know.
Mutually available for both of them are in green.
Yes. So it's easy now. I know they both are available on Thursday, March, or let's say Friday.
That's
tomorrow.
The magic, man. This is the magic, guys.
1 p.m. I select it. I just click here. I have an event with start and end date already scheduled. I just name it, add a type of the event, I create it, and I know they both are available. So a huge time saver.
Look at that, guys. Look at this magic right here.
So I know for sure a lot of our clients spending hours of time reaching out.
This is a huge feature.
Yes.
Huge feature.
So now it's just
everything
a question.
Is in there. Your participants are there already.
And you send them just a message. Hey guys, you have, and the date and time will be included into this message automatically. You have a date set on Friday, March 15 at...
This could be a template, right?
Yes, for sure. I do not have a template in this agency, but...
Right. Maybe we can do templates, a whole video on templates and stuff.
So that's it. It's like simple feature, a few minutes to present, but how powerful it is to increase productivity.
Because setting up dates and going back and forth between the two clients is a kind of a hassle. It's a big hassle. If you can please show our clients how it looks on your global calendar here. So let's say you have your events. Now that you set up these days, obviously everything is reflected on the events tab, right?
Events calendar. Right, so I just set a date
in there.
I can
open all your dates that you set up will be there. you know. By any chance, before we jump, before I conclude the benefits for our clients in a nutshell, can you show how the mutual introductions can be done based on availability as well, or that workflow you haven't prepared?
Unfortunately, Tim, I haven't prepared, and I don't want to improvise.
You know what I mean, and what kind of workflow, right? From the mutual introductions area.
Yes, I got you, but I don't love to improvise. Every time I'm improvising on a call with a customer, it's a disaster. So
maybe make a note about using those two things together in availability and in member introductions feature.
Yes, I will.
You know what I mean by that, right?
So maybe when you send an introduction, you can share available time slots, mutually available time slots. And then customers can select, okay, let's do it.
And then they select it, right? So that's amazing also. So there is that coming maybe in the next videos. In a nutshell, what have we learned today from Mikola? You can now use availability calendar feature, like a real calendar feature, from the end of your members, or even your
non-members. Yourself. Availability request works without member portal.
Without member portal, okay. Or with member portal. So if you have customers logging in and checking their availability, or if you send them the link to update the availability in their profiles, or if you go and do it for your customers yourself during onboarding, either way, you will have all the days that are available. And from there, it's a breeze, because if you want to introduce...
Not only days, Tim.
Days or weeks or times, if you if you edit this information, if you add that information, one of the three ways we just discussed, then I guess basically from there it's a breeze. You can do much matching based on this, and you can do also introductions and dates.
And with member portal, it's interactive. So if something is gonna be changed, if one customer will be not available next Friday, he or she can log into the portal, deselect this availability slot, and if you want to assign a date to this Friday, it will not be possible. This time slot will be just removed from there. So it's all about productivity. It's all about time saving. And that's what we do.
Designed specifically for matchmaking businesses and community businesses who are in the business of connecting people based on their business schedule, personal schedule, professional events, etc. So I think it's another core benefit for our customers. I'm happy we covered it. Thank you very much, Mikola.
My pleasure, as always, Tim.
Let's catch up again next week.
Yes. See you, bro.
See you.